Hey everyone, I am from Top Animates. In this video, you can explore 10 plus simple tattoo ideas for men and women, along with their inner meanings. Check them out and get inspired. 1. Logo tattoos. Had to sell a car or bike that you loved immensely. Do you love a particular brand of vehicles? Then, canonize your feelings for it with this logo tattoo. Adding olive leaves around them convey your admiration and passion towards it. These tattoos are usually preferred by bikers, racers or riding in. 2.
Hey,
Thunderbolt tattoo.
everyone.
Traditionally, a thunderbolt represents energy, knowledge, power in getting new ideas. It can also indicate the destruction of ignorance and the quick spark of intelligence. If you are seeking for a groundbreaking idea that can change the world around you, this tattoo is a perfect way to inspire yourself every day. Getting it at the back of your ear reflects your creativity and uniqueness. 3.
Hey,
Pretty blossoms.
everyone.
A blooming flower has many symbolic meanings. It can indicate the beginning of a new phase in your life, whether personal or professional. Usually, people get it done in the initial phases of their newfound love life. The flowers, growing amidst a bunch of leaves, may represent the support received from your family and friends. 4. Watercolor feather. A feather may appear like a fragile object, but its lofty symbolism is sure to leave you impressed. It represents a spiritual connection between the creator and owner, which is the god and the bird. Along with that, a feather can also portray the qualities of independence, free will, and a wandering mind. Adding a watercolor-like effect to it elevates the feelings of positivity. 5. Tribal dolphin art. Dolphins are one of the most lovable and intelligent species on Earth. They are free-spirited creatures, which live in harmony with their peers. In countries like Polynesia and South Africa, dolphin tattoos are done using tribal symbols to represent their culture and strong family bonds. These designs also show their association with nature, particularly. 6. Musical note tattoos. There can be no better therapy to heal a wounded heart than with music. A soulful rendition can instantly uplift your spirits and fill you with positive vibes. So, why not try a music motif for everyday motivation? In this design, the treble symbol is surrounded by a line of musical notation to represent. 7. Spiritual or religious tattoos. If you are a firm believer in the power of God and His doings, then go for this tattoo. It has a simple, blessed word inked on the top of the shoulder, meaning you are blessed to be under His presence and guidance. The Holy Rosary with a cross pendant indicates your spiritual and religious orientation. You can change the symbol depending. 8. Quirky arrow symbol tattoo. The arrow has a lot of symbolic prominence in many cultures. It conveys many meanings such as sense of direction, aiming for a goal, or as a symbol of protection. Depending on the way it is depicted, the meanings change a lot. This tribal-inspired arrow design can convey a mix of different concepts like defending your pack, friendship, and warding off. 9. Lotus mandala tattoo. Among the innumerable mandala designs for a tattoo, the lotus mandala holds a special significance. As it is a symbol of purity, having it on your body is known to fill your mind with pure thoughts. Also, it is believed that gazing at a lotus mandala can promote healthy mental growth and also improve your physical. 10. The cowgirl with weapons. A cowgirl represents the power of women. She is strong, valiant, and no lesser than a man. Armed with a knife, a revolver, and a pistol in her hand, the lady looks very confident. She might look cute in her mini skirt, hat, and high-heeled boots, but mess with her and she will show you who's the boss. If you are a woman of such traits, then go for the. 11. Swallow birds tattoo designs for couples. The swallow tattoo designs are associated with the eternal stars and the souls of the dead from the ancient times. Here you can see the pair of swallow birds stand on the branch, which is perfectly matched on wrists. Swallow tattoo designs represent freedom and happiness like birds. Most of the girls like to flaunt this type of tattoo designs. Here the beautiful flying birds tattooed on her back. 12 sun tattoo designs with meanings. The sun represents fertility, strength, passion, courage, and eternally renewed youth, light, and knowledge. The sun is also symbolized as royal and divine powers adopted by both secular and religious authorities. It also reflects the sun's philosophical symbolic nature in most cultures. 13 simple moon tattoo designs with pictures. Similar to the sun, the moon also reflects philosophical symbolic nature in most of the cultures. And it represents eternity, purity, and divine powers which are adopted by many religious authorities. 14 new Celtic tattoos for women. Celtic tattoo designs are primarily a complex genre of interwoven lines which represents mother-daughter Celtic tattoo. Such knot designs were used as a decorative on the surface since their roots are very culturally significant and profoundly. 15 Kanji tattoo fonts designs and meanings. Kanji tattoo designs are ideal for expressing a deep feeling with such an attractive symbol. This tattoo style is becoming popular mostly among the Westerners who believe that kanji designs identify them with an Eastern philosophy based on geisha and cherry blossoms. This kind of simple tattoo lettering fonts designs always symbolize peace, justice, harmony, power, strength, love, passion, etc. They are now also trendy not only in China and Japan. 16
Hey,
cute heart
everyone.
tattoos for women
Today
and
in this video
meanings.
we are going
Heart tattoo designs are always famous in all over the world. These types of tattoo designs are generally taken to show affection, love, and care for their dear ones that accompanied them and acts a constant reminder of the reason what they are. 17 crown tattoo designs for both gents and ladies. The crown symbolizes an individual's sovereignty over their existence, belief, judgment, and performance. Though the crown is a reminder to use power and authority wisely and justly, it doesn't allow the right to command. 18 sword tattoos for men with pictures. As we know, warriors use swords during wars. A sword symbol signifies courage and a warrior's dignity and pride, which prepare a person to face every situation and the 19 beautiful girls tattoo lettering fonts. Celebrities like Angelina Jolie and Megan Fox, lettering tattoos are now one of the top tattoo designs which are preferred mainly by the women. Since girls tend to pick up quotes which will boost their confidence, so the meaning of such text tattoos can be of religious matter or nature inspired. For such tattoo designs, select a text. 20 Chinese tattoo fonts arts for girls. Chinese symbols are complex, and it is the reason that they are called as logograms, which are not letters or just cool looking patterns but symbols which represents a specific word or an object. These logograms can be used in individual, like strength, courage, faith, or combined into cool tattoo forms that have some meaning or even. 21 fish tattoo designs for women. Many people often love to share their likes by having tattoos on their bodies. Mostly girls and women exhibit their feeling toward these types of fish tattoo designs. People who love marine life or love the fish kingdom, they don't shy away to show their affection for such creatures.